Yeah, we've been working on our car quite a bit throughout the night. I've, felt pretty loose every time I hit the track, and then finally in the Race of Champions, I felt like we got on the other side of it where we were too tight. So we freed back up a little bit for the prelim feature, and felt like we were pretty good. The track went away a lot more than the Race of Champions, so I felt like we still could have been back a little tighter. But yeah, I mean it's nice to run that race. You can get extra laps, get a rhythm going, learn about your car, and you'll put it to work for the rest of the night. But at the same time, it is sketchy out there because it's such a fast-paced race, and everybody's going really hard. So try to be cautious out there, and then it was falling back in the Race Champions and was able to work my way back forward. But yeah, I felt like we did learn some there for the. Yeah, it was nice that I was getting cautions. Whenever we would catch traffic, just because you hate to get caught up in something because every spot matters for Saturday. You saw it last night with Reitzel. His luckily happened pretty early in the race, but so I was whenever I would catch traffic, I was trying to look well in front of the cars I was at just in case somebody spun up front. Because it seems like everybody washes up the track and we're all running the top, and it's hard to get slowed down, and it's easy to stall these midgets too. So I was just trying to keep my eyes peeled open, and but then we did get that long run where I had to get into traffic, and I was running a good pace to get there. I wanted to stretch out as much as I could because I knew we were going to slow down a lot once I caught them. And then they were side by side, so I didn't really know what to do, and they were sliding each other and kind of all over the place, racing. But I felt like he probably would have been in my back bumper by that point, so I wanted to protect the middle and not allow him to slide me. And a couple doors open, and I was able to get by, and then we got another caution. And then actually, I think me and Jonathan both were running out of fuel there at the end. Mine was stumbling a lot the last 5 laps, so just thankful that we didn't have another caution because I don't know if we would have made it.
Jonathan Beason coming home second tonight as an Oklahoma native. I mean, what does it mean to get it done? You locked in tonight.
It feels good. Cannon set the bar pretty high last night. With Kyle racing tonight, if you can see him, I think you're doing pretty good. And we're just, a tick off from him there in the feature, but it feels good to be locked in. It's going to be an easy week. I haven't had one of those since 2014, so I'm going to enjoy it.
Might have a little fun tonight.
I think we will.
Michael Faccinto coming in third tonight. Michael, you're going to be in the B main. What do you have to do to get it done?
Just kind of what we did there. The car was so dang good. I can really drive it anywhere I want. Like I said, this Dave Mack team is unreal. Cannon won last night with Keith, and I got this phone call about a month ago, and man, I can't thank these guys enough. So hopefully we can put it in for the second year in a row and make some damage.
This give you a little idea of what it might be like on Saturday.
Yeah, I hope it's exactly like this. Tony did a hell of a job. Way up against the fence, and then I think there at the end, Dylan was around the bottom. So yeah, it's a lot of fun driving this thing, and we'll be there at the end.